Thank you, everyone, for being here. Murder, starvation, survival. Am I talking about Game of Thrones? Maybe, but I'm definitely talking about Game of Genomes. Our villain? Cancer cells. They usurp our body's resources. Sure, at first they seem like harmless little immature substances, but pretty soon they rampage our kingdom and take all of our body's oxygen, killing normal cells and leaving them to die. But some normal cells receive a special instruction, a secret code that lets them survive by functioning on lower amounts of oxygen than usual. In the Lee lab at Penn's medical school, we're working to unlock the secret code. The special set of instructions, rarely given by a cell's genome, activates a protein pathway called the hypoxia-inducible factor, or HIF pathway. Without that HIF code, a cell's usual genome, in the absence of adequate oxygen, launches apoptosis, or cell death. Our critical challenge? How to restore the rightful ruling cells to their throne. You see, Game of Thrones may have come to an end, but our game of genomes continues, with all the twists and turns, all the gasp-worthy deaths, and unexpected but welcome survivals of any fantasy serial thriller. Stay tuned for our next episode. Thank you.